22nd of September. So tomorrow we are going to get another new product release from DJI. Unfold Your Creativity. And of course, we exactly know what it's all about thanks to Deal's Drone Twitter. And this product is going to be DJI OM6. Just like what he had drawn at the end of August, you can see this is exactly it. There's going to be a little screen for you to know exactly what's going on. So just quick recap of DJI OM5, which came out in September, early September last year. So it's exactly a year. So this was the DJI OM5, the predecessor. No screen. The side button was just up and down zoom button, not the circular wheel. And the usual, it was magnetic. If we go back to the detailed photo, you can see, of course, there's going to be the active tracking. So here it's tracking the face of a girl, and there is also zoom in and out feature as well, and you can see the microphone feature as well. So I guess it will be compatible with the DJI's mic as well. And also at the side, I think this is magnetic just like OM5, and you can also lock the motor and you can fold and unfold, the usual smartphone gimbal design. USB Type-C port, and I think there is a trigger button here, although it has sort of slimmed down a lot. And the side will probably zoom in and out feature, as well as some other feature that can be controlled by the circular motion, and also the joystick to control the gimbal, like the panning, tilting, etc. And recording button, and I think this is the button, it has like the swivel, so maybe the camera selfie swivel, or going back and forth the video and photo mode. There's a mode button within the screen which can be used with the power on and off button. And inside the screen we only see 3 icons as we've seen in the teaser. To zoom in the teaser, this is probably the mode. So this is like the unlock mode, so you can pan freely and also tilt freely. I think that's what it signifies. And also the battery, it is fully charged, and I'm not quite sure what green button is. Maybe it shows it's recording or not. I'm not sure. That one, no idea. And the design of the entire handle, it looks very much of a palm size with the silicone or rubber grip at the back for a nice grip. And there's a logo of DJI, and here we can have a lead so that you can actually hold it safely on your wrist. And at the bottom we can slightly see, you can of course attach the gimbal to a tripod if you wish. Looking at the pan motor at the bottom, I think this is extendable just like the OM5. And the next Twitter that Deal's Drone posted, it seems that OM has a new accessory phone clip with fill light. So here it says the fill light with phone clips. I think what it is the DJI OM fill light phone clamp, which is going for $59. We've already seen it in OM5. It looks really beautiful. So there is a light at the side, and in itself is the mobile phone holder, which can go on the OM5 via magnet. I guess they probably redesigned it so that it will go on to OM6. In the file name, we can see Osmo Mobile 6. So OM6, and also Osmo Mobile SE. I wonder whether it's going to be like OM5 SE. So you can see in DJI store there are currently 2 smartphone gimbals, DJI OM5 and also DJI OM4 SE. So my guess is that we're gonna have DJI OM6 as well as DJI OM5 SE. Currently DJI OM5 is going for a discounted price of $129, and now surprisingly DJI OM4 SE is going for a discounted price of $99. So it is cheaper than OM5. So I think we're gonna have similar price range for OM6 and OM5 SE. And also I would like to take this opportunity to apologize to those of you who had been waiting for my DJI Action 3 camera review. I initially ordered it, however the delivery that they have told us is a lot later than what I had initially expected, and they said the delivery would start from 4th of October, but there's no guarantee I would actually get it immediately after 4th of October. So I decided not to get it this time around because I do want to save up some money for example, some other devices such as DJI Pocket 3, which may be more interesting to my viewers than Action 3. So big apologies to you guys, and I'll come back with other interesting reviews on tech gadgets. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you.